is what we call idiom in this clan. The word Chineke is a Hebrew word, which means chai, or chai, C-H-A-I, and neke, which means God and Creator. Bibi Netanyahu, that word is nete anyahu. Nete anyahu. Bibi Netanyahu. Time will fail me to refer you to the Bible, where you see in 2 Samuel and 1 Samuel, you see the words Aya. They are the descendants of whom Aya. The word we call in Adam. Adam is Adam. These are Igbo words. So if the things that happened to the Jews will happen to the Biafrans, the things that happen to us, if the Biafrans and the Jews used God, if the Jews used God to get to where they are today, the Biafrans have no choice but to pass through the same way. That is why in Israel, they have 9